Hi everyone, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I will be presenting downloading OSM data using QGIS plugin. Okay, I won't be presenting any drones today. So I am Lei Lunas. I am a mapper and a nature enthusiast, and occasionally I fly drones too. I'm a core volunteer of GeoLadies PH and a geospatial technical analyst of Philippines Flying Labs, and I've been an OpenStreetMap volunteer since 2013. So why did I choose this topic? A few years ago, I was in a government project that asked one of my colleagues to get all the POIs in Metro Manila. So when I saw him, he was actually using Google Maps and using this, I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but so for example, school, dinidigitize niya one by one. It was 2 years ago. And it took him probably 2 weeks just to get the schools and the hospitals in Metro Manila. But for me, it's my opinion at the time is that it's such a waste of time and energy of a person. So there's always OpenStreetMap where you can get this available information anyway. So yeah, but why, right? Imagine the frustration. So anyway, you can add geospatial data and you can also export geospatial data for free. Free is in freedom. So this is example how you export data from openstreetmap.org. So just click that export button and it will export. Also, you can use hot export tool. So this is how you do it. So just put something in the describe, find a place, put some data on it. Okay, I'm searching for Camiguin, which is my favorite island in the Philippines. Okay. Yeah, and then formats, it will show you many formats that you want to export, like GeoPackage, shapefile, Garmin, etc. So maraming options. And which kind of data? So nakalist down yung data na pwede mong kunin. And after this, if you get the summary, it will be emailed to you shortly. And another one is you can get OpenStreetMap from GeoFabric. And you can download large scale data. And actually didn't include this Overpass Turbo. So it's the same thing as hot export tool probably, pero that's easier, I think, for some people. Ayun, but why? Why did I choose QGIS 3.20? Well, actually, why did I choose QGIS in general? Siguro circumstantial siya kasi if I already have information or data on my QGIS work area, why would I go to all these websites just to get those information? So I can just use the plugin and download the information there. So hindi ko na kailangan maglipat or anything. So everything is already in QGIS. So QGIS is master race level. Yes, so before you get to download all the data that you want, you should also be familiar with Philippines mapping conventions. So I can share the link where you can find this online. So this page shows you every milestones or discussions, what's the HAPs in the Philippine mapping world. So yep, so there are a couple of classifications there that you can use, etc., etc. So I will share this link so you can use it in the future. Yeah, so actually, I just want to emphasize that this is not a very rigid sort of convention. It was built by the community, the OpenStreetMap community in the Philippines. So if you want to add something or edit, or if you want to have like a discussion, or you want to reach out to fellow mappers, you can use the OSM mailing list or Facebook group or the Telegram or Discord to discuss all these things. And I only have 10 minutes to show everything. So maybe that's going to be another topic for, I don't know, next event or something. Pero yun, it's really nice to get to know these mapping conventions and be involved and get, syempre, garbage in, garbage out, no? So dapat yung mga tinatag mo rin once you're making those POIs or contributions, just make sure that all the tags are okay. So kapag in-export siya, maganda yung kanalabasan, malinis yung data in terms of quality. So yun na nga. So ito na yung QGIS tutorial. Ano ba sinabi? Alright. So I just downloaded this file already a while ago. Yeah, so first is you have to download first the Quick OSM plugin. So just plug in and manage and install. Okay, so if you type on this search bar OSM, actually it will show you Quick OSM and OSM Downloader. So I can show you both. And for my background map, I downloaded also quick map services. Wala lang. May ibang way pero sanay lang akong gamitin yan. All right. How do you turn the button on or show the button in the toolbar? So just right click on the toolbars, any empty space, and then yeah, select Quick OSM to show it or unshow or hide, sorry. Saan ba yun? Quick OSM or yung isa pang OSM downloader. So ito silang tatlo. So yung OSM downloader is you can just make a rectangular box and then save it. And then it will automatically download everything that is within that boundary. So ang problema kasi dito, the file is so raw and it's very much all over the place. So hindi, well for me, nahihirapan akong i-sieve through all the information and it's very overwhelming. So I prefer using Quick OSM kasi I can only download selected tags that I want. So ito siya. Just click on this. Sorry, bagal ng laptop ko. All right. All right. But why? Yes. Okay. So siguro first na gagawin ko is to just export only primary, secondary, and tertiary roads in Camiguin. So this tag is for highway, and primary. And then add, and make sure na or siya, hindi end. Highway, secondary, EU. Oops. Highway, tertiary. Oops, tertiary road. All right. Oops. Okay. Or. Yeah. And I would like to get all these highways in layer extent, and my layer is Camiguin. Another thing that I like about this, kapag may previous query kayo, nasa-save siya sa query history, and you can just run them whenever you want. Ayan, nadami ko nang ni-run kanina. So run query. Okay, so again, it depends on on your computer if it's fast or not, but definitely it will show you here. So, ayan. So how to make sure that they are what they say they are. So you can check the attribute table, concrete, national master, commercial road, and yeah, highway is primary. Okay. Next, let's try to download buildings. Okay, reset. So let's try to get all the buildings first. And then let's try to, I don't know. Yes, so building equals yes, that's the tag. In layer extent, Camiguin, then run query. Okay. Okay, so ayan, I was able to download the buildings. Building equals yes. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? And I don't need to do anything else. And lastly, actually meron pang isa dito kasi I don't think I have enough time. Medical, whatever. So I just want to check the baby feeding stations or breastfeeding stations. It was part of our core member, Jen, that initiated this to tag all the breastfeeding stations in the Philippines. So, dahil sinerch ko na siya kanina, I can just check here. Yep, I already searched it here. And yes, and the result is one. There's only one. And share ko lang ako nag-tag niyan. Yun lang talaga yung reason. So yes, so you've seen how easy it is to do on your QGIS. I hope I helped you somehow. And ayun, enjoy the rest of day 3 Pista ng Mapa presentation. And please join our flash giveaways, gather, and all our events within. Bye!